I'm going to show you how I built one of my favorite raised beds. Comes with a trellis, pretty inexpensive to put together, very easy, very quick, one-person project. You're going to love these. They're going to add great versatility to your garden. It makes use of a lot of space that you can grow vertically. You can add several layers, square foot gardening, everything in these really quick, very easy, pretty inexpensive raised beds that anyone can build and use in your garden. And I think they're pretty. You're gonna love this one. All right, so we're starting with 12-foot treated 1x6s, and I'm gonna cut these in half to get my size. So they'll be 6. Now, understand that these boards are usually a little more, so I think it's at 12.5, so it'll be 6.25. But more or less, we want 6-foot long sides. All right, for each box, we need 4 6-foot pieces, 4 2-foot pieces, and 4 10-inch pieces. Those 10-inch pieces is just some old scrap that I had lying around, but you can use anything. Secure the 2 long ends together with the 10-inch pieces, flush up to the edge, and then come in with your sideboards and screw them right into the side. All right, all sides are on together. Very sturdy, very strong. Total price, 6-foot by 2-foot, is $20. 2 built out of scrap wood, 4 built out of new wood. Those 2 were free since they were scrap wood. These are $20 a piece. Not bad. Just anything to create a little weed barrier long enough for the grass to be smothered and dyed. This old paper sack will decompose pretty quickly. All right, once we got a good bed of old rotten wood, it doesn't have to be rotten, you can use fresh wood. I'm gonna be cleaning up some tree limbs and branches and saplings and probably stuffing them in other raised beds. But of course, old decomposed is much better. It'll compost quicker. And then on top of that, I'm gonna put some old decomposed hay. I keep an old round bale rotting in the weather just for this, for mulching and composting. So next I'm gonna put that. All right, and now with some hay in there to kind of fill in those bottom gaps and kind of helps just break things down further. Plus it adds great organic material to the beds. I'm just gonna go ahead and soak it down real good because that's gonna kind of help it to weigh it down and fall into all of those gaps and cracks for me to put my garden soil on top, which now will not take very much. And finally, we're gonna come on top with our good soil. All right, so we added 2 T-posts and a piece of a cow panel. The T-posts were $7 a piece. The cow panel was $35, but I cut it into 3 sections. So with the $20 box and the extra pieces, the whole thing together with the trellis is less than $50, probably around $50. So definitely worth it, not bad. Having these trellises for the plants to grow on are very beneficial for saving space through the spring and summer months, but even beyond that, it holds a great support for some shade cloth. This summer was crazy hot. We had triple-digit heat with heat indexes upwards of 120 degrees for probably over 2 months straight, which is not normal for us, but we had it. It was hot. Everybody's gardens died, so I was able to just throw shade cloth over these trellises, and it protected the summer crop so that I got it longer. And not only that, but I'm able to plant my fall crop a lot sooner. I don't have to, wait till everybody else is waiting for it to cool down, because it's a little bit easier. Plus, when I water in this crazy high heat, everything would just dry up immediately. So with the shade cloth, when I water, it helps to keep things wet longer. So it really, really helped to be able to throw the shade cloth over this. And not only that, it is so much nicer to work under here with some shade cloth than out in the open triple-digit heat sun. So I like this setup. It's very easy to build. It's very inexpensive. It gets you a lot of growing space in a short space. and you can utilize, and really if you wanted to, you could even put plastic over this and use it as a greenhouse to extend your winter growing season a little bit longer too, which I probably won't do, but you could do that. So there's more benefit. It's working as a structure to hold up either plastic or shade cloth of whatever you would want to do. So it's beneficial. I like it. Try it. You'll like it too.